Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Laravel layouting. So here in this particular video, I'll tell you how to do layouting by using inheritance. Here in this particular screen, if you see, I have downloaded this template from Bootstrap example, and if you see, I am going to use this particular template in my website. So if you see this is the heading part, this showing the menu, and this is the banner, and this is the content area. So in my layout, there are another part is there, footer is also there. If you go down, footer is there. So header, banner, and content area, and below there is a footer area, small section. So this is the footer area. So this template I want to use in my website. So if you go to the home page, the same template is there, the content changed, the name of the page changed. If we go to the courses, also the content changed. Here this dynamic content changed, header is the same, the banner is the same, but the name of the page changed. So I want to use this particular template throughout my website. So how to do that in Laravel? So I have this HTML I have downloaded from Bootstrap example. So you can also download it. So I am just opening the HTML file here in my Visual Studio Code, and one layout file I will create, layout.blade.php. Let's see how to do this. This is my Visual Studio Code, and in the Visual Studio Code, first of all, I want to open my HTML. So if you go, now you see this is the index.html file I've downloaded from the Bootstrap example, and this is the HTML. So what I do is I want to create a layout. For that, you have to create layout.blade.php file. So just create the layout.blade.php file. In resource view, create one file called layout.blade.php file. So this file is blank. So what you will do is I want to open this index.html. This is HTML. I have downloaded from Bootstrap. Just copy this thing and paste it here in the layout.blade.php file. Whatever the layout, the master file or HTML file you get, you just copy and paste in your layout.blade.php file. If you examine the layout.blade.php, this is the header part. So I have to leave this header part in my, the header is closed here. So I want to keep this header in my layout file. So the header should be there in the layout file. The second one is if you see this body and the navigation here. So navigation, it is showing the logo here, name of the website, and this is my menu. Okay, so leave this thing in the layout.blade.php. I will not delete this thing. So from the navigation part also be there in the layout.blade.php. If you see this particular div, this is the Jumbotron. This is the banner part of the layout. So if you go to, this is the banner one here. This particular part is the banner part. So this particular part I want to keep in the layout also. But here this thing will change. So how to do that I'll tell. Now the container, here is the container is my dynamic area. This is the container. And this container I want to remove because it will change when I click on a particular link. This container is changing basically. So this should be the dynamic area. So that's why I have to remove this thing, this HTML from my layout.blade.php. Inside this thing I want to remove, Control X. So this should be the dynamic area where I want to display the dynamic thing. And below, this is the footer. So how to print the dynamic in Laravel? You have to use a directive called add yield and the content. You just write like this. So this particular directive will print the dynamic area, dynamic content. So this is the dynamic content. Here I want to print the another thing. I want to print the page name. Where it is, this is the name of the page I want to print. So I can write and title. Suppose for example, add yield title. So that's it. This is the layout. So in layout, whatever dynamic content is there, dynamic HTML is there, you just remove it and just write down this. Now the layout has been create index file or home page, whatever page you want to create, and then you can use this layout in that particular page. So I'll create one page called index.php, index.blade.php file. So just open resource, view, and here I want to create one page called, suppose for example, home.blade.php. So here in the home.blade.php, I want to use what? The layout. So what you have to write yield y extends. So when you this directive is basically used to use a particular layout. So I have created one layout file, layout blade.php file. So this layout I want to use in my home.blade.php file. That's why you just write it extends and the name of the layout file is layout. You do not have to write .blade.php file. .blade.php file, you leave it. You just write down the name of the layout file. Okay. So after extending this, you just write add section. So you have to create sections for this page. Section is basically used for what? To display this section in the layout area. Whatever HTML content or whatever content of the page, the home page, you just write down here in this particular section. So here I have started the content section and I can end the content section and section. You just write down like this. So this is the beginning of the section content and the end of the content. So content means is the content of the page. Whatever you want to write, you can write here. So for example, the content of home page, that means whatever I want to display here in this area, in this particular area, content area, you can write down here. So I'm just writing S2. This is the home page of website. I'm just writing like this, closing it here, and another P and P close, and I'm just writing website. So file save home.blade.php file has been created. Here you see this is the content area, section. This section, content section, this is the highlighted thing will be displayed in the dynamic. So what extends means I'm going to use the layout.blade.php file and this particular content will be displayed in the layout.blade.php file here. You are yielding the content here, so it will display here in this particular div. Very simple. Create one route for the home.blade.php file. File save. I want to save this particular file also. Open the web.blade.php file. Here I want to create one route. So the route is home and I want to call the home.blade. Okay, this is the route has been created. Just start the server. Now this is my Laravel server home. Now you see the home page is using the template. Here is the menu. This is the banner and this is the content I've just created here. This is the footer. Now the name of the page is not displaying here. If you go to the layout.blade.php file, here you see the title, not getting the title. So in my home.blade.php file, you just create another section and here is the right title and title. Now the section has been created and if you go back to the browser and say refresh, now you see the page is displayed. The page name is showing here. Similar to this page, I am just creating another page for the courses. The courses page I want to create courses.blade.php file. Similar to the home page, you just create one file inside the view folder. That is courses.blade.php. And here the similar to the home page, you just extends Extends means I'm just going to use the layout file for my course page, and the content of the page content section. Start the content and the end the content. So here in this particular section, you just write down the layout or content of the page. The content of the page is already there in my courses.html. So this is the content area. This particular, you see, this is the HTML. You just copy this thing to the end of the content. Control C, and just courses.blade.php inside this, just copy and paste it here. Now this is how you can create the courses, but the name of the page you can pass to the section, to the layout is section title, and the end of the section, just writing courses here. Now the courses.blade.php file has been created, and it is using the layout, extends the layout, and one section is the content section, one section is the title section. And this title and the content I am using in my layout.blade.php file. Here you see I am just reading or retrieving the title by using directive @yield. Similarly, I am just using yield content. So two section I am using in my layout.blade.php file. File save and go to the browser again. And for the courses, I have to create another route. So the copy this thing, file save. If you go to the layout, if you see this particular menu, okay, the layout, the menu here, it is home, should be /home, courses should be / just now I have created the route. File save, go to the browser, refresh. Now this is my home page using the layout, and when I clicking on the courses, same layout is being used, the name of the page changed, the content also changed. So very simply, very easily we can create layout by using Laravel. So similar to this two pages, you can create any other page like courses and home.